Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today I got my February Birchbox in the mail and I wanted to show you guys what all was in here. I don't know what happened last month, but my Birchbox video went insane. Like there's like over 300 views on that thing. That is crazy to me. So apparently you guys really like Birchbox, so we're going to open up another one today and see what we got. I will go ahead and say this one does feel a lot lighter than the last couple have. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing or what could be in here, but we're about to find out. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what the box looks like this month. It's actually really cute. I don't know about you guys, but I actually keep these little boxes. They kind of come in handy sometimes. So here is the little paper that's inside, and I think it tells everything that's in here. So here's the card that shows everything that's inside, and I think at least one thing that we've already got. So we got one repeat in here, but sometimes that's not such a bad thing, and it is the, I don't know how you say that. Is it Avene? I'm just gonna say Avene. It's the Hydrance Serum, rehydrating serum. So that's our repeat, and I actually need all the hydration in my skin that I can get, so I'm not mad about it. And then we have a blowout balm right here, and y'all can see my hair is in need of something being done to it, so we may have to try that one out soon. We've got a little shampoo sample as well as the matching conditioner. I kind of like getting stuff like this. It's nice to try out new shampoos and conditioners. There is a color correcting primer in here, and I'm not really somebody who uses a whole lot of these, so it might be kind of nice to try this one out. I've never heard of this brand. Ipken, is that right? I don't know if that's right or not, but I need to try something for my redness, so maybe that'll be a good thing to try out. And then the last thing in here is called Wing Woman, and it's from the Beauty Crop, and I'm assuming, yeah, this is a eyeliner. I love me some eyeliners, so we're going to open this up. So here is the eyeliner. It's got a, is that a brush? No, it's got a felt tip. It has a felt tip applicator on it, and there's a swatch. So it actually looks like it's not, I don't know. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to get it out, so that's always a good thing, but I have a thing with pen liners. We don't tend to get along very well. So for the rehydrating serum, it is $38 for the full size. For the color correcting primer, it is $28 for the full size. The hydrating shampoo is $34 to $72 for the full size. The blowout balm is $28 for the full size. The liner is $17.50 for the full size, and then the conditioner is $36 to $78 for the full size. So everything in here is a high-end or higher-end product. I like trying out high-end stuff. A lot of the times that's about the only way that I do try out high-end stuff is through these little sample boxes. Sometimes I'll find things that I like to repurchase, sometimes not so much, but it's nice to try them out anyways. So that's going to be it for me. I don't know if you guys found this video enjoyable or not, but like I said, you guys sure seem to love the last Birchbox opening. If you did find this video helpful, or if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you've never heard of Birchbox, I will leave the link in the description bar if you want to try to sign up. It's $10 a month. You get, I think, 5 samples is how many is in here. Sometimes there's 6, like if they put a shampoo and a conditioner. Let's see. Like this month there was 6, and sometimes there's actually really good products in here. This month it was alright. Like I said, we had one product that was a repeat, and the rest of it is like just okay. I am kind of excited about the eyeliner. Like I said, I have a really hard time finding eyeliners that I love, so I do like that they included an eyeliner, and I'm kind of curious to see how this guy works, because I don't really buy a whole lot of color correcting stuff. I have a little palette full of cream stuff that actually has a color corrector in it, So I'm curious to see how this is going to do for me. And we'll have to try this out in a video soon. But here's like a sample of what it's going to look like. So I could definitely see that canceling out some redness. It's not going to leave like a super green cast on my face, and I appreciate that. But I do need help with my redness. That's like a big thing for me. But that's going to be all for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have watched this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.